Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to help you guys understand how videos are being recommended on YouTube. Thus, I'm going to give you guys an insight on how videos are being recommended on YouTube and how you can take an advantage of that to make your videos popular on YouTube. I'm going to use a single video on my channel which is very much popular on YouTube, and then I'm going to use it for this explanations. So if you're a YouTube channel owner, I think this video is for you. You need to watch it and then understand how videos are being recommended on YouTube or how videos are being impressed on YouTube. So let me hop on my channel here, and this is the video. This video has almost getting to 50,000 views. You can see here. So now let's move to the reach here. Good. And now let's scroll down here to see the recommendations by YouTube. So you can see how these viewers find this video, something like this. So they are saying 90% is from search, suggested videos, external, direct and unknown, and other YouTube features. So now let's open it. Good. And now let's scroll down here. So now let me do the explanation here. So the first recommendation I'm going to talk about is YouTube search. So mostly all the views I get from my YouTube channel is from search. So search is very much important. So let's say when someone searches how to do something, like how to send Bitcoin on Cash App, something like this, you see these are all recommendations by YouTube or impressions by YouTube. So they are saying this video had most of its views from this side. You get it? So it's very much important. So here, to take advantage of the YouTube recommendations by search, all you need to do is have an exact title, which is SEO. You need to be doing research on the type of keywords people search very much, and then you make a video on that. So you can see how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App is the same as this, but then the difference is transfer and this is send. And how to buy, you can see this is also ranking using the buy word. And you can see this is send, this is the exact word. But then I think these channels are very much powerful than that one. That's why they are ranking before it. So yeah, so the first thing you need to mind or put in mind in order to take advantage of the recommendation by YouTube searches, you do your SEO, and then your thumbnails should be something, I think it doesn't really matter here, but then it should be appealing small. For this side, I think your thumbnail should be appealing small. So the first one, I've talked about the first one. So now let's move to the second one. So the second one is suggested videos. So suggested videos are videos like this. Let me show you guys. So let me close it. Let me not load any ad here. So I think I have video installed on my PC. That's why my recommended videos are being pushed down. So recommended videos here, suggested videos are the videos here. You can call them recommended, you can call them suggested. So they are the videos that are being suggested or being impressed here. So here, to take advantage of it as a small YouTuber, it's going to be a bit difficult. From what I know, it's going to be a bit difficult because the algorithm has been programmed in a way that they want people to enjoy their time on YouTube. So look at something here. Look at the recommendations here. So you can see this channel is very much popular, and this is very much popular. People are loving it. This is very much popular, and this is also popular as well because it was posted in a month ago and it has like 7.8k views. And you see the small channels will be recommended downwards. The small channels will be recommended downwards. So with this one, I think it's a bit difficult to take advantage of it when it comes to recommendations by suggestions on YouTube. It's a bit difficult, but then to stand out, to get some views from this side, I think your thumbnail need to be very much eye-catching, in the sense that, let's say I'm watching the video here, because of this it's pushing the recommendations down. It should be here. If I'm watching the video here and I just look here and I see it, it's going to, entice me to click on it, something like that. So let's say I'm glancing through, I'm reading a comment and I see something like this, very much simple and easy to read. I just tap on it and then go and watch it. So that's a way that you can take advantage of suggestions by YouTube. Sometimes to your titles do matter, but then it doesn't really matter like that. Here SEO doesn't matter. here what matters is if your channel or the video is able to retain people for a long time, is popular, that's when the algorithm is going to recommend you here, something like that. So now let's move to the third one, which is external. So external is from outside YouTube, let's say Facebook. If you share it on social media, Quora, Facebook, Snapchat, X, or even on Google. So just like I said, most of my views on this channel comes from how to like searching. You can see searching here. Most of my impressions are from search. So I also get views from outside YouTube as well, like Google. Most of my views are coming from Google. I don't share videos on social media platforms. I'm trying to do that, but then most of them are coming from Google. If you search this on Google, you are going to see this video is appearing in there. Most of my views are coming from YouTube search and this. And now let's move to the other option, which is a direct and unknown. This is like the person having a URL and then clicking on it. So I don't know whether someone embedded this video on a website, but then they are saying I have like 537 people viewing from direct. You shouldn't take this into account. And other YouTube features is like when someone is on YouTube like this. Other features like they are on their history, they are on their any something like that, and then they see your video and they click on that. For that one too, your thumbnails and your descriptions to matter in order to get some views from that side. And browse features is just like I mentioned earlier here, so or your home page. So when I hop on YouTube like this, what I see here is the browse features, something like this. So the recommendation here is very much important, is very much vital. So here YouTube doesn't favor some channels like that. Here, even if you just posted a video and the video has like 3 views, it's going to show up here to people that have subscribed to your channel and people that haven't subscribed. So if you have a nice thumbnail and you have a solid title, people are going to watch it. You get it? So let's say if I hop on here, I think this is very nice. 19 years wasted. And then he has this it took me 19 years to realize blah 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 blah. So when I just hop on YouTube, I'm like, this is very much nice, so let me click on it. So that's it. You can see this is 12 hours ago. Look at the views and look at this. So that's it. For browse features, you can take advantage of that if you have a good thumbnail and then you have some good title as well. You don't need to possibly have a lot of views, or your channel need to be powerful. You can get views. So you can see this is from a powerful channel, but then it's still here. So in this video, I talked about almost 4 to 5 ways in which your videos are being recommended by YouTube, and I also shared how you can take advantage of that. So I was saying on YouTube search, you need to do SEO. Your title should be exact as the word they are searching, and your thumbnails need to count. Suggested videos, that one, if your channel is not that much powerful, it's going to be hard for you to rank higher. If you don't rank higher, you're not going to get any views from here. So you can see 26,000, but I got only 1,000 from there because this channel was younger. I posted this video when I was not monetized, so you can imagine. Yeah. And then external is from outside. So when you post a video on YouTube, you should optimize it for searches outside YouTube as well. That's for Google, Bing, and the other browsers. So when they search, they're going to find your video and click on that. So that one is going to be real interaction. It's not going to be like bots are interacting with your videos. And other YouTube features also matter. Your title and your thumbnail also should matter. Browse features is the same thing. Even if your channel is not powerful, you can get views from browse features. Your thumbnail needs to be superb, and then your title needs to be on point as well. So that's it on the YouTube recommendations, how videos are being recommended or being impressed on YouTube. So if you like this video, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions on this, try to drop the question in this video's comment